Hello, welcome back. I want to thank you for joining me on today's topic. Good evening and welcome once again. As I told us before, that we're discussing about important health issues, importance of exercising and other pressing issues. So on this channel today, we are going to talk about how exercise will help you as a man. How exercising, especially the aerobic exercising, will help you as a man to perform your function as a man. How exercising will help your sexual activities. That's what I'm going to discuss now. So by the ending of this video, you're going to know about things that will make you as a man not to function very well as a man when you are meeting your partner, and then how exercise will now help you to prevent those things so that you can function very well. So things that can also affect these the functions of a man, causing you to have erectile dysfunction, not having strong erection or sustained erection. They can be physical, they can also be psychological. Going through the psychological part is something like anxiety. Maybe as a man you have tried before, that kind of thing you have tried before, and then you are disappointed. So the anxiety is there. Maybe you have something that is worrying you, you are anxious, or you are depressed as a man. So these are some of the things. Or you are stressed out because of physical activities. Maybe your type of work you are doing, you're stressed out, so you may not be able to function very well. So other ones that are physical, for instance, if you have heart disease as a man, you have hypertension, diabetes, low testosterone. These are some of the physical factors that can cause a man to have poor erection and not to have sustained erection. Now, how does exercising come into play? Why am I talking about exercising today? How does exercise help you as a man to have sustained erection? Now, what you must know about exercising is this: when you are exercising, especially the aerobic exercising, it helps blood in circulation. So blood goes round your body, goes to your brain. Now, I was telling people about exercising that in one of my videos, that exercising helps to make the vessels to relax, blood vessels to relax, so that blood will flow. So, assuming there is part of your brain that there is a tendency of having clots formation or having ischemia, because of the part you are exercising, especially the aerobic form, blood will go through it again. So that part of the brain will begin to function very well. So imagine part of the brain that controls your manhood, your penis as a man. Imagine that part of the brain not having enough blood. So when you exercise, you see blood. It will receive enough blood and enough oxygenation, thereby functioning very well. Exercise will also help you as a man to relax. You are not under stress. You can see footballers, boxers, and other people that are into exercising. They are doing well, performing very well, both in bed and outside bed. That is why you should exercise. That is the importance of exercising. Now, I want to show you some of the anatomies of the male part so that you can understand further what I want to say. Now, this is the male organ. This is the male organ. Now, this is the penis itself, the phallus. Now, this is the testis. Now, going up, you see the prostate here. Then you see the urinary bladder, and this is the rectum. Now, when you exercise, you see that this place that you are supposed to have the rectum, the tendency of having more feces in this place will be reduced. You understand? So you'll be having easy. This is a constipation that some people used to have. You won't be having constipation as a man that is exercising. And then your bladder will be contracting very well. And then you have more relaxation of this point where the urine is supposed to pass through. So you won't be having retention of urine, because if you're having retention of urine, to have sustained erection will not be easy. Likewise, if you're having fecal impaction, like you have a lot of pieces in your rectum as a man, that is why you should exercise. When you exercise, all those places, they will relax, and feces, shit will go out, urine will pass through as well, thereby helping you to have more blood in that area, and then maintain sustained erection. At the same time, as you can see, what you should know is that when blood is flowing, for you to have erection, sustained erection, there must be enough blood in this place, in this phallus. There must be enough blood. So what does exercise? Exercise now helps to relax those vessels in that place, in this place you are seeing now. So if there was a clot or a something plugging it, obstruction before, following exercise, you see more blood will pass through it, because exercise will help in the production of substance that will relax the vessels, so that when you want to meet your woman as a man, you see more blood and you now have a very strong contraction. Do you understand? Then there are also, I was talking about physical conditions like diabetes. Now if you're exercising, the tendency of you developing diabetes is low. I want to exercise when we do for you. So because diabetes is also one of the factors that can cause you to have a erectile dysfunction as a man. Now, going further, if you now engage in something called Kegel exercise, it's a form of anaerobic exercising. For instance, those people that used to squat as a man, you can squat, you can do walk or push up as a man. I'm giving you an instance: push up, push down. Now, if you are doing that kind of exercising, these are the perineal muscles. This is the phallus. As I was saying, this phallus is the penis. Now, these are the perineal muscles. You can see this place. This is a man's perineal region. Now, when you exercise, especially engage in Kegel exercising, like push up, these muscles are well trained because of exercising. So they will be trained and have good contraction, so that when you are meeting your woman, as blood enters, they will help to sustain the blood, so that they will help to maintain the erection and not just balloon out, because this thing, they are supposed to contract when you are meeting your female partner. Do you understand? So this is one of the things that exercise will do for you, and this is how it's going to help you to maintain erection and have a very strong erection. Apart from all those physical conditions like hypertension, because if you're exercising, hypertension is almost like zero. That one thing exercise does, as it's preventing you from having hypertension, it's preventing you from having diabetes. It is also going to help you to maintain your function as a man, so that you will not fall out when you are in bed and then get disappointed or disappoint your female partner. So I want to encourage you to exercise, engage in exercise. Physical exercising is important. It's important, very, very important. Share this with other people that it may benefit. We hear from this. Share it to your partner. If you're a woman, you can also share it to your male partner, so that he will learn and engage in exercising. I want to thank you. If you have not subscribed so far, please subscribe to this channel. Like my video. You can also drop your comments, so that I can respond to any of your comments or any of your questions. If you have any suggestion, you can also drop your suggestion on the comment section as well. Thank you so much. Thank you, and may God bless you as you do the needful. Thank you so much.